Meet Lana. Lana features level 10 ultra blonde 100% human hair. She's perfect for hair cutting, hairstyling up to 350 degrees, and color depositing workshops, especially those vibrant toning and pastel formulas. Lana features a small head size, and her length arrangement is 8 inches in the interior and 8 inches in the exterior. Every hair on Lana's head has been hand implanted to mimic the natural growth pattern of a human being. Lana is available in 2 delivery systems. Here, our original series, a soft rubbery PVC where the hair has been directly implanted into the mannequin. Also available in our cap series, our hard recyclable ABS plastic, the hair is implanted into a cap that may be removed, replaced, and reused. Key considerations when working with Lana: since she's previously been lightened 10 levels, she is not recommended for further lightening. Also, when Lana ships, she will arrive smooth, as shown here. Simply shampoo and condition for her natural curls to return.